I heard about Envision through a lovely little envelope about that big that was nice and fancy. You've been nominated to enroll in the Advanced Emergency Medicine course.
I was like, yes, I'm gonna go to this. It's at Stanford, it's hands-on, it's amazing.
I did this program because I thought it'd be like really good experience and it'd look good on my resume.
When I grow up, I want to be a doctor, hopefully, fingers crossed. And I think programs like this help me because they give you insight, they give you experience.
I want to be a surgeon when I grow up.
I just want to do something that's a job that'll help others and also help my community.
All of the hands-on experience has been absolutely incredible.
We get to see actual medicine, like go to the hospital, do actual things like measure blood pressure. And at school, it's just more talking.
I was expecting only good things, but it really blew my mind how much we've done so far and the people we've been able to talk to and the advice we've gotten from all the doctors around.
I've learned a lot about the college process, which is actually really helpful, and really just learning a lot about medicine and the medical field as a whole.
My favorite part of the program so far has been the code black. We have a tent set up for a situation where a natural disaster were to occur. I was one of the doctors on the drill, and I had to organize the nurses and medical students and the residents and figure out who can do what and how to sort them into a good spot.
It was chaotic inside of the little white tent we were in, but it was so much fun.
The other day, we literally were dissecting cadavers. That's something that you don't get to do until you're in med school. To say that I've done that as a 17-year-old high schooler is really astonishing.
We got to simulate a major disaster.
You have these massive amounts of people coming through at random times, and you have to make choices. You can't just stop. Let me think about this. No, you can't do that. You literally have to just be like, life or death. Are they going to be able to, can they walk? How's their heart rate? How's their blood pressure? Like all the vital signs. It's really stressful, but you have to put their needs before yours.
My favorite part of the program would be really getting to see the anatomy and the human body, and also suturing.
The suturing, that was my favorite part because I felt so cool. I was like, I'm finally doing something that's like gonna help and save lives possibly.
Who would have thought that this summer I'd be suturing a pig's leg, you know?
You learn maturity, you know, okay, I have to be up at this time, I have to eat breakfast by this time, I have these lectures at these times.
When I'm done with my undergraduate college, I can go to med school and be prepared for this.
In my future, I will have an idea of what I will be experiencing. I will already have had some experience.
It's awesome. You're around good people. The students are all like-minded. It's an easy environment to get to know people and share common interests.
When you're surrounded by people who want to do great things, it makes you want to do great things as well.
We all come together to sort of learn and teach each other.
Now I know that for a fact that like medicine is where I belong.
I want to bring my energy and my compassion to the medical field.
Now I know that I can be a doctor, I can be a physician, and even if this isn't the field that I do want to go into, I can really do anything I want.
Now I know I definitely want to be in medicine, and I want to be a doctor and actually apply to medical school.
It's given me confidence for sure.
It sort of affirms that I can be who I want to be, not what other people want me to be.
Sometimes you could think, yes, I want to pursue a certain path or I see myself doing a certain thing, but you really don't know until you're in those shoes and you're really being hands-on and getting that experience and seeing, wow, this is really me. This is what I feel I could see myself doing.